Okay,
Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay. We have ourselves a Hotsy. Yep. It's a Hotsy pressure washer with heat. The consignor that brought it in said everything works on it. The heater unity says works, but you got to do some, I don't know what it is, but some little trick and then it fires right off. So that's what we know about it. I'm going to start it up. I don't really have a way to show you how the water and everything works. You got to hook a hose to it and do all that. But I will show you the motor runs. And there is no tank. It's just one that you would pull up, hook the water hose in here, and you got yourself a pressure washer with heat. The actual tank for the burner is diesel. And then you got your gas and diesel right here. Your switch right here. 18 horse twin cylinder motor there. What is that? What kind is that? The IC wind. Okay. Let's see if she works. Starts on the battery, no problem. If we get time, Mason, how's it
Hold
going?
on 1 second, buddy.
If we get time, we'll do another video with water hooked to it, but for now, that's what you're going to get, is the motor runs fine. And the unity says works fine. So that's what we know about it. So thanks, and start bidding on it.